Hi everyone!
Hi!
What's my character's name?
BEEometry.
No, it's BEEometry.
Oh, BEEometry.
We can come up with that.
Excuse you.
The
tissue
geometry
box.
B turned into the BEEometry. Very good. So let's take this off. Here, you want it?
It was never geometry.
Here, catch the head. Yes, a flying head just occurred in the classroom. That is crazy. So today we're going to be talking about surface area of prisms and cylinders. Okay. Oh yeah. Can you call the class to do it? Go ahead.
Ready? Yay, math?
Yay,
You forgot your glasses.
Oh, I have my glasses. We'll start on with these. Actually, I'll just be like, instead of wearing them like this, I just stay connected
Oh yeah,
to the
yeah.
class.
You gotta.
That's much
So keep
faster.
it. Did I write on my face?
I don't know.
Okay, so I like to stay connected. So let's talk about what this is. Surface area. First, we're going to do prisms. Let's define a prism. Okay, does anyone know what a prism is? You've heard it before, right? Can you tell us what a prism is?
It's a three-dimensional thing with has five sides or something like that.
It may have 5 sides. It may not.
5 to 7 sides.
It could have more than 7. It has
Isn't
less
it a
than.
three-dimensional Playgo?
Yes, it's a 3-dimensional shape.
Is it
That
like?
it has to do with bases. It has to do with bases.
Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
What I want you
6
to-
bases. 6 bases.
It could have 6 bases too. Let's create a demonstration. What I
More
want everyone to
than
do.
3 bases.
Everyone put your hands like this. Hands like this. Okay. Imagine any shape you want in there. Maybe it's a square. Maybe it's a triangle. Even a circle.
Any shape.
Okay. Any shape you want. And then when you pull your hands apart, you're going to create a 3-dimensional space between your hands. Are you ready to envision it?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay. Let's do it.
Whoa.
So I'm looking at a triangular prism. So the top and bottom of my hands are triangles. What do you have?
I have a square.
A square prism, top and bottom squares. Does anyone have anything different than a triangle?
A sphere.
Well, circular then. That'll look like a can of Coke. That's called a cylinder.
Oh.
That's called a
I thought I was like pulling it apart and then it was like going like this.
No, it's just pulling apart. What do you have top and bottom?
It was a square, but now it's a pyramid.
Well, pyramid would not be a prism. Can we talk about why? Because you need the same base top and bottom. You pull it apart.
Oh.
Same base top and bottom. We're going to do surface area pyramids next. Okay? What do you have? Do you have anything in there? We have a square. We have triangle.
Or square.
Square. Does anyone have a rectangle maybe?
I do.
You have
I
a
do.
rectangle in
I
there?
do.
Okay, now you do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
so-
sphere just wasn't working out for me.
We'll do
I
spheres
always
later,
had
actually.
it.
There are spheres, way to do surface area of spheres as well. So that's a prism. It's basically same base, top and bottom. Let's write it down. Prism,
Oh, Jill.
same base, top and bottom, and 3 dimensions. So let's do a rectangular prism to start. Okay, so many people get a little trepidatious about how to draw a rectangular prism. It's not so bad. What we want to do is draw 2 rectangles. So little angles here. This. Yeah, I drew. This is going to be the bottom of my.
Kind of like a
prism.
flat parallelogram.
It's kind of like a flat parallel. Yeah, it's a parallelogram with little elongated features. And then we do it over here. See, mine's not perfect. Okay. And then we connect the dots, or connect the corners. See, mine's like moving a little in the wind. I don't mind. So,
Jill.
let's talk about the surface area. Let's talk about the surface area. With your hands, number of fingers, please show me how many different faces exist on this rectangular prism. Yes, put it down. Yeah. Put it low to your body. Low to your body so other people can think. There's 4 around. Yes. So we got 2 people. What do you think? How many faces exist on this entire shape? How many faces? That's right. Despite the yawn.
I wasn't.
Yes, that's
Or
right.
Cornelius.
No, too high.
Oh, you want us to show it?
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Okay, many people are getting it. Let's count them up. How many bases do you count?
2.
2. So let's put the bases in red here.
6.
That's right. There's 2 bases. Here they are.
2 species.
2 bases. And then we have lateral sides. What does lateral mean?
Like sides.
Around.
Like around.
Sides and around, right? In football, they have the lateral, it's the side pass, or backwards pass. But yeah, it's a sideways, the side. So we'll do that, let's say, and we'll go patriotic, we'll go blue.
Yeah.
So we have the
America.
front one, we have the back one, and we have the sides. 4 lateral faces. So this is the first vocab term. This is called the lateral area. Let's get that first. Lateral area is the area of all 4 of the side faces, not counting the bases. You can make a song out of that.
Could you possibly
faces.
flip the shape onto its like other side?
You could.
And then those would become the bases and the lateral
Absolutely.
would the lateral area be different?
Yes. Yeah, it would. It would. Right. So in this case, for a rectangular prism, as long as you're accomplishing same base top and bottom, look at me for a sec.
Yeah.
As long as you're accomplishing same base top and bottom, then those can qualify as bases, even if you went side to side. I
Okay.
could go here. That's true. That's true. All right. Next, we're going to do a triangular prism, and you'll see that there's no way to flip it. Okay. So let's do same base top and bottom. Let's make some easy numbers. What would you like this to be?
Million.
10.
Nice and easy.
I'll do 4. Let's do 4 here.
Okay. 7?
7, sure. Okay.
About 5.
And then let's go with 5
Five.
on this, 5 up here. Okay. Let's do the 4 lateral faces. Starting with side 4 here on the side. That's a little easier to see.
Why are there 2 4s?
Oh, this is side 4. Sorry that. Okay, so I'm gonna put that. Here, I'll shade these in blue is what I was getting at. This one here. Okay. So that one colored in. What's the area of that rectangle? How do you get an area of rectangle?
Base times height.
Base times height. I see you're working it out. Yeah, what's the area of this blue face here?
20.
20 indeed. Okay, so I'm gonna put that down. 20. Plus. Any questions about that? We're adding areas. How about this one on the side over here?
The same.
Totally.
Because the bases have to be the same.
Totally. Is that clear? Why would be 20? It's a spitting replica of that. And you're wearing my mask. It's so funny. And we're actually like doing math, which is fun. So yeah, we could even replicate the 5 over here. We could replicate that this piece is 4. So we have 2 20s in there. Plus, now the front one, do you agree, is this long
Oh,
length?
I do.
Wait, how'd you get 220s?
Good question, thank you. Do you agree that this blue face is 20, 5 times 4?
Yeah.
And so is this.
Even though the numbers are different over the base and the height.
Over here, if I may, this is still 5 and 4.
Oh, okay.
This is still 5 and 4. It's just like sort of, it's the same, like a box. Think of a box. The right side is the same as the left side.
Okay.
So now we're over here, front one. I spy 7, and now by what? 7 by what? Go ahead.
5.
It is 5. We could bring this 5 over. It's the height of the entire shape. There it is. 7 by 5. This is the front face. Front face. What's that area?
35.
35.
These have accents too.
Any questions about how we got 35? Are you
34.
comfortable with 35?
I'm very comfortable.
Is there another 35 to be found? Is there?
I'm not uncomfortable.
We.
Yes.
So there's the front face and then
the other
the
side.
back. The back. We call it the back. Another 35. That's right.
Back of the bus.
So that's where the cool kids sit. I wish I could be like the cool kids.
You are a cool
all the
kid.
cool kids. They seem to fit.
I wish that.
Yeah.
You got
Like
Smith.
the cool
Copyright.
Yeah. Strike! Strike from the record.
Your video has been erased.
You're in bad standing on YouTube. So this is called the lateral area, these 4 areas. What's the total area for the lateral sides? What do we got? 40 here,
40 plus
70,
70.
110.
110.
110. 110, let's go units squared.
That's a big number.
110 is the total area of the lateral faces. Any questions? Now, would it make sense that the surface area is the lateral area plus what else? Good job. Can someone else think about it? I'm glad. I'm going to come back to you.
Back and front
South
area.
Africa equals.
Well, we did the back and front, and we did side to side. What areas did we not calculate? Go ahead, top and bottom.
Yeah.
How many faces is that? Two. And what are they call? What are we calling it?
Times the area of the base.
Base.
You were all about that base. Okay.
Keep it again.
No, that's actually it's
So 2 times the area of the base.
2 times the area of the bases. That's right.
No treble.
That's right.
No treble. Sorry.
No trouble. Just all about that base.
Just bases.
And this is a little treble right here.
Plus second.
Keep making trainer.
So yeah. Total surface area is basically all 6 faces. That's what all the fingers you held up of 6 fingers. All 6 fingers or all 6 faces. So we did before. What's the lateral area of this shape?
Yeah, man.
110.
Yay, man.
And now let's get the areas of the top and bottom, what you see here in red. Okay? What's the area of the bottom face? I'm going to actually ask you once other people get it. Area of the bottom face. Do thumbs up if you feel like you can get the area of this face where I'm holding. Yeah?
Ooh.
Thumbs up if you can get this area.
Thumb more with the air.
It's okay.
I'm gonna give you 2. I wish I had 3 thumbs so I can put them all up.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead, sir.
It's 7 by 4 because base times
7 by
height,
4.
and
Thank you.
28.
You're very good. 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is 28. So do you agree that this is 28 and this is 28?
It's, the
Yards.
2 bases are 56.
Agreed.
So 2 times 28. And we're going to be done with this particular surface
56.
area problem. That's 56 plus 110 makes
166.
60.
166 units squared. Questions? Yes.
I feel like it's never gonna be that easy, like with those numbers.
Yarska.
It's the spirit of the problem will always be like this.
Okay, and then like, will there always ever be a problem that's gonna be like, one of the side measures will be like x plus 2, or like
You'll see that on the SAT.
x minus 1?
You'll see it on the SAT.
Okay.
Just be ready to do length times width.
Okay.
So if this is like x plus 2 and this is x plus 1, you're going to multiply x plus 2 times x plus 1. That will be a FOIL situation.
Okay.
So that's good. Just be ready. The spirit of that is the same though, because you're doing length times width
Got
to
it.
get the area.
Got it.
But your question is appreciated. Okay?
Thank you.
So let's do a triangular prism. We'll do a right triangle. So same drill. While I erase,
Official
I'll
eraser.
put one up. That's okay. Okay. We'll get him a job. We'll get him a job.
Sponsored by.
Yes. Sponsored by. Okay. So I tried to draw a right triangle with a little perspective there. And then I'm going to lift the lines. Lift the lines.
Oh.
Lift the lines.
That's so cool.
Oh, that is
Brett,
so
man.
weird. Oh my
I could have done better. This is a little higher maybe.
There
There you go.
Oh,
A little
that
better.
is so weird. That is so
Yeah, isn't it interesting how that works?
Whoa.
And it's kind of fun. And then if you want to get actually better at it, see this line in the back is officially behind. And so the proper way, once you get going with this, again, we're not looking for Michelangelo drawings here, but just...
Too bad.
Looks like a block of cheese.
Yeah, it does look like a block of cheese. So anything in the back, you can go dotted lines and that gives it some nice perspective.
Oh, whoa.
So anything in the back is dotted. See that? That helps. So while you draw yours, I'm going to just erase this action.
Action.
All right,
Well, the
forgive me
AMAT
if I,
The AMAT viewers aren't seeing your footies. They're great.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's commitment, man.
Yeah.
You have to slow motion that kick.
Let's get the lateral area, then the surface area. All right. First question, hold up with your fingers.
I can't draw.
How many faces comprise the lateral area? Good job. First do the lateral area. How many? You had it. You had it. Yes. First lateral. How many is that? Yes. How many faces lateral?
Oh,
That's total. Good job. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. How many faces on the lateral area? Yeah, many people have it. Good job. There's 3 lateral faces.
Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you.
Soul from here and forever.
B sneeze.
Lost all my pollen. Like sticks to them, you know.
Them?
Yeah.
That's
So, yeah, sticks to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Speaking from experience.
You're a part of them.
So, what shape is a lateral face? What type of shape is it? You
Triangle.
can say it out. You call it out. What type of shape is the lateral side, not the bases?
Quadrilateral.
What type of
Rectangle?
quadrilateral? Not
Rectangle?
necessarily, yeah, it's a rectangle. Looks like a rectangle. Looks like a rectangle. Remember, when we're talking about creating a prism with our hands, when you open up, what is the shape between my hands now? What did I open
Jazz
up?
hands?
Yeah, what kind of jazz hands prisms did I create?
Rectangle.
No,
The triangles.
the triangles are my bases. The triangles are my bases. Cornelius, you remember, what did you want me to call me? Like, brother man. That's what you want me to call you.
Brother
Yeah,
man.
because- oh.
Right
We're
here.
good, we're good.
Brother Bees.
Remember you said, can you turn it on its side and something else would be
Yeah,
compromised
yeah.
as the basis? Could you do that here?
No.
No, because there's no other two bases that are the same.
Mm-hmm.
These three rectangles wouldn't be bases. The only thing that can be bases is the same thing top and bottom. Does that make sense?
Does.
So let's go get the lateral area. Let's go with,
Brother man.
let's put a 3 here, let's put a
Favorite
4
number.
here, and let's put a 10 here. It'll be easier that way. Okay, lateral area equals area
We love
Oh.
LA.
3 rectangles where dreams come true. Area of 3 rectangles. All right, so why don't we color them in? Last time we did blue, let's do it again.
Angolese.
So we have, been watching a lot of Yay Math.
I have.
I think I got it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I like
that was
this.
let's do that face.
Look at this.
All right, call it out. What is the area of this face? Go ahead.
40.
40, bravo. Putting it down.
Zach.
So that's 40. What is the area
You
of,
just did tail. instead of-
let's go with the side face over here. That's one sort of looking at us. All the way down.
You like the American movie?
Take a second. The area of that face right here.
30.
Now call it out. Go ahead.
30.
30.
30, bravo. 30 plus 30. We have one face left. It's the one on the back that we can't see, right?
Yes, we can.
It's 40.
So it's what by what? What by what?
It's 40 is the same as the other side.
Close, it's not 40, but you have one of the dimensions correct. The back one I'm gonna draw now in, let's go green.
It's 10.
This is the back one now, I'm gonna draw it.
Yeah.
There. Can you visualize that back one?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Do you agree the dimensions are 10 by this
4.
line?
It's kind of like the Flatiron Building, and you
Oh.
look kind of like
7?
Remember our deal. It's not 7, although that's a good
Oh, the
guess.
stag.
What are you talking about?
The back. The
So what are you talking about? You're right. What are you talking about?
10.
So 10 I'm comfortable with. This is one dimension of the back rectangle.
Yes.
By what? 10 by what?
By
This thing.
7.
By X.
Why are we saying 7?
Because
Because
4
they're
plus
added
3.
together.
But it's two different.
But is that what Pythag is? As I
No,
know?
it's not.
Pythagoras.
No.
Do you agree that this is the right triangle at the bottom?
No, the 3 is the back. The 4 is the side. It'd be 10.
Look, I'm gonna redraw the base. Redraw the base.
Peace.
This is the base right here. Yeah, it's fine. Good. This is 3. This is 4.
It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle.
Mmm. Yummy.
If we didn't necessarily, that's the base right here at the bottom. And this piece, I'm gonna do in green, is the line that we're looking for. That's the line we're looking for.
Oh yeah, it is.
Do you see that now?
Yeah.
You see that now?
I just did the tag in my head and
You did 3 plus 4. Yeah, I see. You did 3 plus 4. It's 3 squared plus 4 squared.
Yeah.
Equals C squared.
Got
Gotcha, okay. I get it. I get what
Got
you
it.
did. So imagine with my magical bee hands, I took the base, pulled it off, and smacked it right here. Bam. Smack dab. Smack dab right here.
Yeah.
Now we need this. If some people didn't recognize the 3, 4, 5 right triangle, don't forget. If some people didn't recognize it, you can go 3 squared plus 4 squared equals
B squared.
C squared.
No, where's C squared?
Oh, B squared, right. This is your B.
Yeah.
No.
9 plus 16 equals C squared, 25 C squared. I just did that, I know, it's weird.
So C is 5.
So C is 5 indeed, so we have a 5 here. And like you mentioned, 3, 4, 5 right triangle is very common. So I'll put 5 back here. What is your question, Cornelius, brother man?
Oh, yeah. To put this shape kind of in perspective, because I'm kind of confused on what the actual like shape is.
Okay.
Is it kind of like the shape of the Flatiron Building in New York? Is it kind of like
No, it's like a
starts
block of
at a point and it
cheese.
goes like that, and then it comes like in the back?
It's a cheese block.
No, it doesn't. It's a cheese block. It's a
Like this.
It's like Gouda cheese.
have you ever seen a yoga block?
It's a piece of pie.
What?
Okay, have you
Like a
ever
piece of
seen?
pizza. Is it like a piece of
Piece of
pizza?
cake.
Like a slice? Is it a slice?
Have you ever seen? Can you picture a rectangular cake?
Yeah.
Okay, picture a rectangular cake, cut diagonally along it.
Here. Okay.
Yeah, cut diagonally along it and remove half of it. That is a triangular prism.
Got it.
Triangle top and bottom, 3 rectangles.
1,
That's
2,
one
and
thing
the
sandwiches.
bar.
The long one, yeah.
Okay.
That's what
Got
this
it.
is. Okay? Thank you for clarifying. Yeah, it's critical to envision. It's critical to envision that we are doing what this is. So the 3 rectangular faces are here. 1, 2, and what by what? 10 by 5. Area in the back is
50.
50. Is
70 plus space.
120.
120, thank you, sir. It's 120 in the back. Or all together, okay? So that's the lateral area. Remind me, please. Remind to be.
Mine B.
Surface area equals what 2 things? Or a couple, I guess 3
2
things.
times the area of the base.
Lateral
So can we
area.
start with the lateral area and then do that?
The second base.
Absolutely.
Lateral
'cause-
area plus 2 times the area.
Yeah, it's the entire faces. Now hold up with your hands. How many faces comprise the entire surface area?
1, 2,
Yes.
4, 5.
Yes. Any more? No, you're doing the bases. Very good. Yeah. 5 total faces make the surface area. So this is plus 2 of the bases. Okay, lateral area, we did 120 plus. Now we need area of the base. There it is. We have this triangle. Who recalls the formula for the area of a triangle? What do you say? Area of a triangle. We only, because we did this yesterday, I wanted to make sure you got it.
A equals 1/2 base times height.
1/2 base times height. Very good. That's right. 1/2 base times height. You're welcome to stay, hang out. We're making history. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Okay. So
B.
area equals 1/2 base times height. What is the base and height of the triangle, please? Go ahead.
The height is
Talking about that.
4, the small triangle.
4. Yeah. Exactly. Do you agree that we're doing the area of the triangular base? So that height is 4. I'm liking it.
Oh.
And now what's the base of that?
3.
3. Are we comfortable with that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You're not fronting? Okay, what's 1/2 times 3 times 4?
The whole thing, like, can we just do it?
Half, so that's
It's 6.
6. So each, I'm gonna put it down. Let's go in, go black.
Go green. Oh, black.
Yeah, let's go black, it'll pop
Yeah,
a little
black.
more. So the area of that base is 6. What's the area of this base?
6.
6 indeed. What's the total area of both bases?
12.
36.
No, we're not squaring them. What's the area of this base? Go ahead.
Oh yeah.
6. What's the area of this base?
6.
Together they
I just
make?
add them.
You just add them. I love when students use the word just. Yes, you just add them, making
12.
12 indeed. Total surface area is
132.
132. Question, please.
Yeah,
Please.
would you just assume that the 2 triangles or bases are equal, or,
Congruent, like the same. Remember this?
yeah,
Yes.
okay.
You create, in my imagination, I have a right triangle. Here it is. I can see it in my hand. And then I pull it apart and I create space between. And I have this 3-dimensional shape. So yes, a prism will always have same base, top and bottom, identical. Can you envision that? Okay. So 132, I heard it. That's that. We have 1 left. We're gonna do a cylinder. Cylinders are fun.
Oh yeah.
Cylinders are cool.
How do you
So
draw a cylinder? I always wondered.
Cylinders are always go.
It's
Yeah.
circle and then it's like line, circle.
yeah, it's the same concept. Confession, when I was back in the day when I was in school,
B school? Like,
My-
like
you know,
elementary B?
I was in advanced pollination courses. It was about like how to be more efficient, use
Be
your
more
time.
efficient?
How to
B
be-
classes?
Yeah.
A, B classes.
I got straight B's.
Were you in calculus B? Out A B?
I was in calculus A, B, B, C.
B.
They just didn't even say
Is
A.
a
They're like
B better
calculus
than
A.
an
B!
Is a B better than an A?
Of course. An A doesn't exist. I like create honey. So what's an A?